Hello everyone, welcome to Concepts of Designs. I hope you all are doing great. In this session, we will talk about very important topic of SolidWorks, which is mouse gesture, and about the shortcuts key of SolidWorks. So let's check it out. So my friend, if I want to create a model, I will use mouse gesture instead of going in this menu bar. Let's see how does it works. So I am going to choose my top plane. If I want to create a circle here, so in general way what we do, we'll go here and choose circle. But in going here and there with the help of mouse, I think it takes some time. So we can reduce this time with the help of mouse gesture. Simply what we have to do is click your right button of your mouse for a while and drag it up or down. So you will get this circular shortcuts key which is called mouse gesture. This one is called mouse gesture. So my friend, simply if you click your only right button, you will get this. But instead of you will click your right button of your mouse and hold it and drag it up or down, then you will get this. So I want to create a circle, so simply I will click my right button of my mouse and hold it and get this. So see, I will choose my circle here and I will place it here. Now I want to provide dimension to it, so I will not go here and choose dimension. What will I do? I will click my right button of my mouse and I will drag it and I will find my smart dimension here and provide dimension to it. So see my friend, now I want to extrude it. So in general way what we do, we exit from here and we go here and choose the extrude feature here. But instead of going here, we can simply choose it from our screen, working screen. Click the right button of your mouse, drag it for up and down, it will get this option, and see, here is my extrude. So suppose I want to give some height to it, for example 10 mm. So wow, I have provided it. And one more thing I would like to suggest, don't go here for click OK. Just click your enter key. See, by clicking your enter key, you will get the result. So it will help to reduce your time in very efficient way. Now if you want to create a circle, another circle on this surface, so choose simply choose this surface and click your right button of your mouse and sketch it from here. Now see, you can use Ctrl 8 for normal, or you can go here. Simply if you click Ctrl 8 from your mouse, you will get your normal view. So Ctrl 8 is a shortcut key for normal view. So simply in this way you can have your normal face to your screen. Now if you want to create another circle, so instead of going there, click your right mouse button and drag it for a while and you will get this, see, and place it here. Now I want to provide some dimension to it, so I am providing 20 mm. Now I want to extrude cut, so I will exit from here and with the help of my shortcut key I have already created, I will create it. Now see, and hit your enter. So let's see how we can assign these things in SolidWorks. This is your menu bar where you get all the features in this bar. So in this section, my friend, simply click right button here of mouse if in this area, anywhere in this area, simply here, like I have clicked my right button of my mouse, so I will get this dialog box. From here I can get customize, so go to customize. Now you will get this dialog box from where you will find mouse gesture. So click mouse gesture and you will find your shortcuts for your mouse gesture, which I have already been assigned for my convenience. So maybe when you will open, you will find some other option, and instead of having 8, you will have 4, 2 or 12. So let's see. See, this one is 8 options which I have been assigned, but you can change it by here, from here. Like this one 8, after clicking 12, just see, it will have 12 options, 12 different options. Like if you want 4 only, see, after clicking 4, you will have 4 options only. But in general way, I am preferring 8 gestures. So I will suggest you can also use this for your better convenience. Now, see, if you want to add in any option for part modeling, for example, I want to add loft in my part modeling. So make sure whenever you enter in category section, it should be all commands, not these things. Okay, if you have commands, because all these things are commands which will perform your works, so it should be command here. Now search for loft, L-O-F-T, loft. Now you'll find my loft. See, my friend, here it's loft cut, loft in surface, in set metal, but I want my loft in my part modeling. So I will drag this loft only, and I will drag it. Simply select from your selection key of your mouse, drag it and come here. See, it's already assigned. Now my friend, if you want another option for your part modeling mouse gesture, suppose you want sweep here, so simply search sweep and select it and drag it, and wherever you want to place, just place it here and leave your mouse button. It will be added to this section. Now suppose you are in sketch and you want to add your sketch options, which will generally use in your daily sketching modeling. So that option you can add from here. See, for example, you want, I have assigned circle, I have assigned sketch, I have assigned my dimension, rectangle, trim, see, linear pattern. Suppose I want to add mirror here, so I will search here mirror. See my friend, this is mirror, okay, and I can drag this mirror from here and I will place here. Now I have my mirror in my sketch section. Now suppose you want another, see my friend, but this mirror belongs to features. I want from my sketch tool, see here, so drag this mirror and place it here. Now my friend, suppose you are in assembly, and you all know that in assembly generally we use mate a lot times and also insert component, because these are the two features which have been frequently used in assembly. So this should be always added in your assembly toolbars or assembly shortcuts key. Okay, now see how we can add these things. You want here mate, so simply go to here, choose mate. Now my friends, see, this is mate, so you can simply drag it and place it here. See, it's already one was there, it's already been added another. So for suppose you are in assembly and you want any other options for assembly, for example you want a sketch in your assembly, so simple here, click sketch. Now I have a sketch. So let's see how many sketches are showing here, my friend. See, this one is assembly feature sketch driven pattern. So all the sketch which is in SolidWorks will show here. For example, this is one sketch, this is also a sketch, this one is also a sketch, so this one is also a sketch. So see, this is belongs to sheet metal. Okay, so simply click sketch here and drag it and leave it here. Now my friend, if you want any other things like I have provided here linear sketch pattern. Suppose I want to add mirror here, so simple go to mirror, search mirror. Now see this mirror I have here, so I want to add this mirror here, so simple drag this mirror and leave it here, and it's been added here. Now let's see how we can add some other option in drawing. For example, if you are in drafting and you want to add some crop view, see if you want to add crop view for your shortcut, see like this is remove section, so if you want to add crop view, simple type crop, if it will be available it will be show, see it's showing in drawing view, so drag that view and provide it here, it's been added. So in this way you can add all the shortcuts for your mouse gesture, and friend, this is very useful for creation of your model, and it will definitely going to save a lot of time for your model creation, and it's always been preferred, like it's a very handy tool. So please prefer this and make practice. In starting maybe you will have some problem, but after practicing of 2 or 3 days, definitely it will be very efficient in using this mouse gesture. So after doing all these things, you can hit the OK button here. If you will click OK, then only all these things will be set up here. So click OK here. Now all the things has been already added in your shortcuts key. Let's check in assembly. For example, my friend, this is I have created a part. Now go to assembly. This is assembly. Okay. Now I want to choose this one and this one, shaft and this one. So I choose both and place it here and here. Now see my friend, I want to mate this one and this one. So in general way we go here and choose the mate, but in this case what we will do, simply we will choose our mouse for our mate selection. See, I have already assigned the mate here, so I will not go there. Instead of going there, I will get it from a mouse only. So see how easy it is. It's very efficient for your model creation. So keep practicing, and I hope you will like this video. My friends, it's my humble request, kindly like, comment, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.